Calling all man, Louisiana Healthcare Connections wants us to manage our health with stress on the MAN. Leaders are offering a variety of free health screenings later this weekend. Here to tell us what we need to know is Pamela White with the organization. Thank you so much for coming in this morning, Pamela. This is your all's first time coming on our show, so tell us a little bit about what is it that Louisiana Healthcare Connection, what are you all about?
We are a health plan that manages Medicaid members for the state of Louisiana.
Okay, so you all handle Medicaid.
Yes.
Now, as I mentioned, this is a manage your health event, stress on MAN.
Yes.
Why specifically men? I think I already know the answer to that, but I want you to kind of explain it.
Yes, so of course men, sometimes it's a little bit more of a challenge to get them to come out and take care to manage their health. And so we want to put this program together specifically for them to come out and take hold of those things that are most important.
Now, even though you all do manage Medicaid, this is open to anyone regardless of whether they are a member, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's open to any man that wants to be a part of this free health care, free wellness event. We want them to come and take part of that.
And as you mentioned, it is free. So what type of screenings will you all be offering?
So there are a variety of screenings that will take place, things such as blood pressure, diabetes, it could be just information to help them to learn more information about colorectal cancer. So any different types of screenings, diabetes, those are the things that we will be offering on this Saturday.
And then even though, of course, this event is open to everyone, regardless of whether they are members, but if are there any special incentives for you all's members to come out and get these screenings?
Absolutely. So specifically for Louisiana Healthcare Connection members, there is a $50 reward that they can receive for taking these screenings.
And then what else will there be? Because I know you all are also going to have some speakers there. Who are going to be some of the speakers that are going to be offering this great information?
Yes, thank you for asking. So we will have Councilman Anthony Kinney will be our keynote speaker. We have Mr. Will Campbell who will be there. We'll be talking about financial literacy. We will also have a mental health panel that will, there's about 4 or 5 different panelists that will be speaking on that, as well as we have some keynote, we call them power punches, where it's going to be really quick speaking, so where men can break the silence. We're going to talk about domestic violence and a couple other things that we'll be doing.
Okay, and I also know you also are going to have some very fun activities for out there as well, right?
Absolutely. We're going to have some free throw competition, some layups, so it doesn't matter what the age is. We're going to have some different things for them to do, and of course we will have lots of cool prizes, but most important, we want them to understand that this is a serious matter.
Yes.
We want them to manage their health.
Yeah, and as you mentioned, this is a free event open to everyone regardless of whether you are a member or not. So tell us when and where is it going to be?
Yes, it's going to be this Saturday, April 26th on Southern University's campus at the Seymour Gym.
At the Seymour Gym, and what time does it start?
Yes, it's from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's going to be filled, so you don't have to worry about the time. We have every moment filled with all sorts of great things for you.
Do people need to bring an insurance card or anything like that, or can they just come out and get their screening?
No insurance card is needed. We do ask that they would register online.
Okay.
It helps us to better prepare for food and things of that sort. But if they do not register, we're not turning anyone around.
Okay, then it's from 10 to 1, right?
That's correct.
This Saturday. And what's you all's website where people can go and actually register for the event?
They can go to LouisianaHealthConnect.com and they should be able to find where it has the Manage Your Health Wellness event there to register.